All right, guys, this is our combiner box. It's an AC combiner box where we take the strings from the microinverters and put it all into one box. It's gonna simplify your installs tremendously. It is a NEMA 3 box. It's hinged. There are no locks on it. We do have an option to padlock or zip tie it closed. It is UL listed, and it's an easy buckle. It comes with a data sheet right in it, a wiring diagram, and the opportunity just to follow along. All the wire sizes, all the breakers, and everything's really detailed here. The really exciting thing about this is it's just not a consumption monitoring or production monitoring. It has a RGM revenue grade monitor. So it also combines our ECU right inside this box. We'll open this up in a second with this dead front. We have CTs already landed in here. We have our ground and our neutral bars as well. And we have a spot up to 5 different strings. Also have a breaker in here that's already installed for our communication and that RGM device. Everything's pre-wired. The only thing you're adding is your solar strings and your grid side power. So let's open this up. 4 quick screws in each corner. These are simple knockout plastic pieces. They just push out for wherever you want your breaker. If you said, oops, I don't want that one back in, they click back in. As I said, this is our RGM kit from Chint that we've partnered up with. It's already pre-wired into our ECU. You can remove this screw and it pulls right out, so you can change it out, you can program it, you can modify it, you can even change the built-in antennas that are here in the box if you needed a better Wi-Fi or Zigbee connection. Guess what? They're up here as well. We supply all those things for you. Here are our production CTs and all the wires to program and turn on the Chint and our ECU. That's already pre-wired. So all you're doing is landing in your string breakers. So this kit also comes with the accessory box in the same box. No additional parts needed. This is where you'll find your consumption CTs, mounting hardware, and some other anchor bolts points. There are opportunities to expand this, but I think we've done a very awesome job on making a well-manufactured box that will make your installs a lot easier. So if you haven't got one today, talk to your sales guy and make sure that these are on your next order.